everybody, it is Mary. I am here today to do an unboxing with a box that was sent to me by another YouTuber. I bought it. It was $50. That includes shipping. He put it in a flat rate medium box. Who is this person I bought this from? Well, it is Harry Tornado. So he has been buying pallets at Goodwill since they have so much overstock in his area, and going through them and selling a lot of stuff for himself, and then doing yard sales and also making boxes to send to people who want to buy them. So I did that and bought one. As you may know if you've been following me, I started out selling just vintage clothes online, and I am gradually trying to get more into selling of the hard goods on eBay. So I know that is a lot of what he sells, and I'm hoping there will be some of that in this box. I hope I know what it all is, because I don't know a lot of stuff about a lot of stuff. Before I open this box, and I am going to be trying to be careful with my scissors this time. If you like vintage, thrifting, eco-friendly fashion, or reseller content, go ahead and click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I make a video. See, I'm not being careful. Ring the bell to be notified every time I make a video, and you'll never miss a thing from me. Here it is. Oh my God, you guys. Here is the box. I'm going to open it, and I should not be allowed to have scissors in my hands ever. Still. Alright, so first look, some packaging materials. No surprises there. Okay. Oh, as we can see, there is a lot in here. First thing, a TiVo remote. Now, I know people on reseller videos are always reselling remotes, and I have seen a lot about TiVo remotes. I've never sold a remote, but this could be the first. And I would like to get into the remote game, because they're everywhere. And then I look at them at the thrift store for a really long time, and I'm trying to look them up, and it's taking forever, and I'm like, I just don't know. And then one time I was at an estate sale, and I was like, can I just buy the remote and not the DVD player? And the man looked at me like I was crazy. First item, remote. Now we have a giant bag of costume jewelry. I might go through this on my own and then show at the end if there was anything really that exciting in here. I don't really like selling jewelry, so right off the bat, I'm not super excited about this. But I also can take stuff to my store I own with my friends, trunk show, where you don't have to list anything. I just can put it out and maybe people will buy it. So I did go through the jewelry and pick out the things I thought were the coolest, which I'm not going to take the time to put these online, but I will take them to trunk show and probably sell them for just a couple dollars each. I did like these earrings. They're kind of art deco. Hard to see with that turquoise velvet sheet. That's the same color. But all the earrings do have these backs, which are definitely vintage. These were kind of pretty. I like these. Little studs. I did clean, or try as much as I felt like to clean them. I do like these rings. Only fit my wedding ring finger though, and I don't really want to stop wearing my wedding ring. A bunch of CDs. Again, I will go through these and see if there's anything exciting. Right on top we have Beverly Crawford, who I have no idea who that is, followed by LaShawn Pace, who I also don't know who it is, Donald and Lawrence. Oh, that sounds like some kind of religious thing, because it says the law of confession. Alright, so some maybe religious CDs. So when looking more into the CDs, it turns out they're all gospel CDs. There was a few that had the same artist with multiple CDs, so I lotted those together, and then I'm lotting the rest of them as 27 gospel CDs. They are in really good conditions. The bottoms of them aren't scratched at all, so I felt like maybe somebody could want them. For the ones with the 27, I'm doing an auction starting at $20, which might be lofty, but we'll see. If a fidget spinner, which I have never actually used. Okay, some little toys. Well, I don't know what that lady's name is. Garfield. Gosh, what was that guy's name? I don't remember anything. For the little PVC figures, these two were the ones that I thought could be worth more than the other ones at least. They are Applause beach bunnies that were given out at Hardee's, I think. So I listed these two together for maybe $15 with best offer turned on. Doubt I will get $15. So I put those together, and then all these as a lot, which these aren't in very good condition. A lot of them have paint coming off, and I think some of them might have been cake toppers, but Pluto. I did add this in. This was mine that I just don't know what else to do with, so putting it in with those. A Bible. I've heard that people can sell Bibles, so. Okay, I think I remember him opening this, but this is like a Coach couch. I don't know if it's real. Maybe it is real. I'll have to look it up. But like, you can't sell anything that's not real on eBay, even if it's like I have a Fendi bag that's not real, and like I can't even write Fendi inspired, you know, fake Fendi bag. You can't do any of that. So it's like, what can I write to make someone buy my fake Fendi bag? Just bag with F's on it? I mean, I don't know. It's very annoying. Some Lancome eye sunscreen that is partially used. Bean Fat Multivitalite SPF 28 sunscreen. Shoe cleaner. It was originally $1.99. I might use that just to clean my own shoes. Norman Rockwell Christmas postcard book. That is kind of neat. Postcards from Norman Rockwell in there. Doesn't look like any of them have been taken out. Now there's a box in the box which has holiday wooden things. I mean, honestly, a lot of these things I feel like, especially like this wooden stuff, I can use in my new passion of decoupage arts, because I actually wanted to make Christmas ornaments this year, and these would be really perfect for that. I had not realized on the box it says that they are Lillian Vernon welcome plaques. I'll also show a picture of what the actual welcome sign looks like, but people can get these little welcome signs with the family name on them, and then they hang these plaques from the sign for different seasons. So it is a complete set of 10. These ones are not the ones they sell online anymore. I think they're older, so I don't know. I put that they were retired and that it's a full set. So that could be worth more than I was thinking, and I'm not gonna do crafts with them right away at least. Brand new full set with the sign and the new plaques is $32. So I listed these for I think $22 and turned on best offer. Well, I will be listing this stuff online and seeing if anything sells. What do you think? Let me know. Did I get some good stuff? Did I get some duds? Do you know anything about these items that I don't know? And if you're not already, go follow Harry Tornado. I'll link his channel below. That's it. Have a great week, and I will see you next week.